So SAP Basis and HANA Administration, today it is the demo. So my name is Vinay Kumar. I have 10 years experience. I provide corporate training and institute level training and personal trainings. Okay, so many persons nowadays in institutes, in other states also, in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, in Chennai, in institutes, so many institutes is there, SAP Basis Institute. But my side, I am telling, so many institutes, they did not providing proper time. Why? So many persons, they have doubt. When we want to learn SAP basis, what are the topics we want to learn? I'm the fresher, I'm scratch. Just right now, I came out from the BTech degree like that. I have 1 year gap like that. I don't know any languages. I don't have coding knowledge and everything. SAP basis is correct? Yeah, it's correct. In SAP basis course, there is no programming, no coding. Before you don't want to learn anything. When you want to learn SAP basis, before you don't want to learn anything. Directly you start to learn SAP basis. Okay. So first of all, you want to know what is our work, what we want to do, what we want to learn in training. Actually, what is SAP? First of all, you want to know what is SAP. SAP is company. In 1972, they founded. Okay, no need to go deeply. It is demo. No, SAP is company. What they do, SAP company, they developed ERP software. ERP means enterprise resource planning. They developed that software. In every business, we want to use ERP. E means enterprise means one company. Resource. For example, Reliance Digital is there. Reliance Digital is enterprise company. Resource means in Reliance Digital, what is available? AC is one of the resource, fridge, washing machine, like that. Planning. Every year, this year, how many ACs sold? Next year, how many ACs we want to increase to sold? Like that, you plan the software. That is, who developed that software? SAP. In every enterprise company, they use that software. In SAP, we have two types of models. One is functional models. Functional models are PICO, SD, MM, like that. Functional models. And another one is technical models. Technical models are basis, security, like that. Now, basis. Basis means administrator. Administrator means installing, configuring, maintaining. Means these functional models is there, no? They don't know how to install the SAP software. They don't know how to change settings in SAP software also. Who want to do that everything? Installing means in company, whatever software they tell, administrator only want to install that software in particular system. That is one of the role in administrator. Configuring means setting changes. After installing, you want to change any setting. Who change? Administrator only. Maintaining means suppose this person doing one thing, they got software error. Who solved that software error? Administrator only. That's all. So, for example, AC, I buy new AC from Flipkart. Okay. So, administrator means AC fitting person. I contact to that person. So, today you want to fit AC in my room. So, you are the Flipkart customer, no? They came. What they do first? They install AC in my room. After, whatever, is there any problem? Is there any changes and everything they done? Maintaining means after 6 months, I call to that person. Sir, AC is not working properly. I think is there any problem? They came and they check and solve the problem, and AC work properly. That is the maintenance. Like that. So like that, administrator, basis administrator want to install any SAP software in company, they intimate means you want to install the SAP software. And is there any settings changes means you want to change. And you want to make that system properly run. That is the role of the installing, configuring, and maintaining. Okay. Now in these trainings, I'm putting heading here roles. Means one by one, what I want to learn in this training. That is you in your mind, one by one, what you want to learn. Actually, what is the correct book to learn to SAP basis? So which book I want to follow to learn the SAP basis? Like that in your minds also, you have option. Actually, these are the certification books. SAP only, every year, they provide this certification, new certification book. Me, I am not providing these books. SAP only provide this certification book. And TADM 12_2 and ADM 110, these two books are same. For example, I open, first I take TADM 12_2 only. Only. Sorry, it is SSS book I opened, that's right. TADM 12_2. Here, unit 1 is there. In unit 1, SAP system architecture, in that unit, 3 lessons is there. So here, one by one topic we go. SAP Business Suite. That is the software. SAP Business Suite is software tool. Compulsory, you want to learn that SAP Business Suite. What is SAP Business Suite? What is the use of SAP Business Suite? We use SAP Business Suite in company. Compulsory in this training, we want to learn that SAP Business Suite. So that is one of the topic you want to learn compulsory. Next. SAP Business Suite for SAP S/4HANA, another topic. SAP Business Suite for SAP S/4HANA, it is one of the topic. Compulsory, you want to learn this one. And you want to know difference between this SAP Business Suite and this SAP Business Suite. So that is one of the topic compulsory you want to know in SAP basis training. Next, releases. In SAP, how many softwares is there? In SAP, how many softwares is there? There are so many softwares is there in SAP softwares. For example, SAP NetWeaver, one of the SAP software. SAP S/4HANA, one of the SAP software. SAP ECC ERP is one of the software. Like that, so many softwares is there. You want to know some softwares. You want to know some softwares. What are the softwares? In that softwares, what else also is there? For example, in Linux operating system, Red Hat is there. In Red Hat also 9, 10 like that. SUSE Linux also 10, 11, 12, 15 like that is there. In Windows also, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 versions is there. Like that here also. You want to know this one. So that's why releases is one of the important topic you want to learn compulsory. After releases, software components is one of the topic. You have, without knowing software component, it is not possible. It is the basic knowledge. What here you are knowing means, after installing SAP software, you got this software component. So after installing, how the structure is there, before installing, what are the information you are knowing, that is the basic knowledge. You are knowing about one software. Before, what are the preparations you want to do before installing? After installing, how the software is there, like that. And SAP systems based on AS ABAP. That means here actually one software is there. For example, I tell 1 minute, SAP systems based on AS Java. Okay, here one software is there. For example, SAP NetWare, I told you, no. SAP NetWare software is supported for installing AS ABAP system, and SAP NetWare software is supported for installing AS Java system. Like that, you have two types of systems. Means that software is used for installing AS ABAP, or that software is used for installing AS Java. That is, I did not prepare system. That's why I did not opening. Is not possible to show you. Suppose I prepare system is compulsory. I show here. 1 minute. Okay, I did not. Okay. So actually in company, one software is used for installing AS ABAP. That software is used for installing AS Java also. Two different purpose also be used in company. So for example, I told me is there. I want to go from Chennai to Mumbai. Chennai to Mumbai trains is one way. Different trains. I want to go to Chennai to Rameswaram. Chennai to Rameswaram going trains are different. Chennai to Mumbai trains are different. Both are not same, no? Before booking ticket, what I do? First of all, as such, what are the trains is available for going to Chennai to Rameswaram, and what are the trains is available for going to Chennai to Mumbai? Like that, as such the trains. And after I book the tickets, like that here also. So in releases, you got information what are the SAP softwares is available in releases topic. So on that time, you want to know, no, that software is used for installing ABAP system purpose, or that software is used for installing Java system purpose. That information you want to know. And another system also is there. SAP systems based on AS ABAP and AS Java. So you want to know which software is supported for installing AS ABAP system, which software is supported for installing AS Java systems, which software is supported for installing AS ABAP and Java systems. So after types of SAP systems. This I told you, no, here two types of SAP systems is there, AS ABAP and AS Java. AS ABAP based SAP system. That means what AS ABAP based SAP system is. Okay, I use SAP NetWare software. I install AS ABAP based SAP system. After installation is completed, in that system, what is available? You want to know. For example, here is that after installation is completed, here some instances is there. You learn about these instances. What is ERS instance? In ERS instance, what is available after installation? What is ACS instance? In ACS instance, after installation, what is available? What is primary application server instance? After installation, what is available inside primary application server instance? Like that, you are knowing what you are installing in ABAP-based SAP system. After installation, what is available? What you call that one? what is available inside. That information you learn. Like that, AS Java-based SAP systems also. AS Java-based SAP system. Means here you got what the difference between the AS-based SAP system and AS Java-based SAP system. You got that differences. AS Java-based SAP systems. And final topic is Unicode. Unicode means about language. So these topics, these 11 topics you learn in that unit. SAP system architecture. In that unit, you learn that 11 topics. Compulsory. So SAP system architecture means when you learn that 11 topics, you got basic knowledge of the softwares. What are the releases like that after installing in ABAP-based SAP system, what is available in Java-based SAP system, what is available in ABAP and Java-based SAP system, what is available. This information you are known after installing. So compulsory, who want to learn SAP basis, that unit compulsory they want to. After that unit, this unit we want to learn. In this unit, SWPM. It is installation tool. It is software. By using SWPM only, we want to install any SAP software. So you learn about deeply about SWPM. That is one of the important topics. In that unit only, another topic is there. SAP Einstein. You want to learn about SAP Einstein. What is SAP Einstein? So compulsory, as a basis administrator, they want to know about SAP SWPM and SAP Einstein. Compulsory. Here, guides, where you want to download installation guides. For example, in company, they ask you, how you install SAP software? In company, you want to tell, I use installation guide. SAP only provide installation guides. Who provide SAP only provide installation guides. Every SAP software, how to install guide is there. In company, you want to download that guide and read that guide and install like that. So this entire unit is before installing what we want to do. One by one step here is available. Installation guides, SAP notes also you want to download. What is SAP notes? Why I want to download before installing SAP notes? Which notes I want to download? That information you learn in that one. What is prerequisites check? Like that. This is the basic unit. Okay. This is the basic unit you learn. Compulsory you want to learn. This is the basic unit. And after this unit also, 10th unit, installation planning. Means I'm telling before installation, this unit 1 is, it will take 2 days. This entire unit we want to complete means 2 days. One class 2 hours, another class 2 hours. Means total 4 hours that entire SAP system architecture unit. So this installation preparation unit is 2 hours. And this installation planning units is 2 hours. Means this 3 units compulsory we want to learn. Before installing what we want to do. About the software, everything you learn in these 3 units. It is the basic knowledge they provide in that 3 units. After this 3 units is completed, within 4 classes or 5 classes, we complete these 3 units. After this 3 units is completed, now I'm telling very important topics. This is called as implementation topics. This is called as implementation topics. In a company, database team, support team, implementation team like that is that. Nowadays in SAP basis, implementation are very, very important. In institutes, so many institutes I found. In institutes, so many institutes, they teach training on particular software only. They don't know knowledge of other softwares installations. Okay, in institutes, you are learning only one software installation. In company, they ask you, you want to install another software installation. Means how you install? It's not possible, no. For example, SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is one of the SAP software. That software is used for installing ASAP app, AS Java. So you want to learn how to use SAP NetWeaver 7.5 software and how to install ABAP, AS ABAP system and how to install AS Java system. You have doubts, sir. Practice is possible for the two softwares. So in my personal laptop, I want to practice is possible like that. Is possible when in your RAM you want to maintain 1 TB hard disk and 8 GB RAM like that you maintain means it is possible to install. How possible means I provide softwares to you. I explain how to install that softwares by your own hands. After class is completed, by your own hands, whatever softwares I provided, you planning in your laptop and install them. That is one of the software. Next, SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ASAP SAP Solution Manager 7.2 page out. After 10 minutes, section will be closed. Use same link to join again. Okay. Remember, after 10 minutes, section will be closed. Use same link and join again. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 AS Java. So this also is one of the software SAP Solution Manager 7.2. So this one is possible to install in your laptop. Same configuration, whatever I tell. This one you want to install means you want two laptops. Two different laptops is there means on that time is possible. Next, SAP S/4HANA 2023 AS Java. This one is possible to install in your laptop. SAP S/4HANA 2023 AS Java on Windows, Linux. Sorry, not AS Java, sorry. ABAP. This one is not possible to install in your laptop. Why is not possible to install in your laptop? Means this one required minimum 128 GB RAM, not hard disk. That one is not possible to install in your laptop. Why means you want minimum 128 GB RAM. That's why it is not possible to install in your laptop. But compulsory want to learn how to install that SAP S/4HANA 2023 ASAP app on Windows and Linux. These are all Windows only. These are all Windows OS. Nowadays, these topics are very, very important. Okay, next. SAP S/4HANA 2023 IDS software is there. It will be supported to install on Linux only. Actually, so many institutes They did not tell this one installation. So many persons, they don't know how to install that software also. Present working employees also, working SAP basis employees also, they don't know how to install that software. So NetWeaver is completed, Solution Manager is completed, SAP S/4HANA is completed. Next, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 7, IDES, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 8, IDES. Okay, these two, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 7 IDES, SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 8 IDES. Installation compulsory you want to know. Windows OS only. When you learn one, remaining everything is same. Okay, next, same SAP ERP 6.0 EHP, it is not IDES, it is non-IDES. After you got difference, when you start classes, you got it, what the difference between IDES, non-IDES. And another software is there, NetWeaver ASAP 7.52 software on Windows. So these are the software installations you want to learn. NetWeaver, Solution Manager, S/4HANA, ERP, NetWeaver, ASAP. Suppose another software you want to learn is here EHP 7 non-IDES also you want to learn means total 12 installations compulsory you want to learn. SAP ERP 6.0, EHP 7. So if every day one topic we take means to complete 2 weeks to complete these installations. So within 3 weeks, we complete this one. Within 3 weeks, we complete this one. In implementation topics, installations are very, very, very important. After installations is completed, most important unit is start and stop. Start and stop. Both. So in Linux operating system, in SAP S/4HANA, in Linux operating system, you want to learn in Linux operating system how to start and stop S/4HANA. It is one of the tasks. You want to learn how to start. In this training, we use this software. You want to learn how to start and stop this software on Windows operating system. And how to start and stop Java. Not Java we are using. For Java practice purpose, we are using SAP S/4HANA 2020. How to start and stop Java system. So you are learning, you are covering both operating systems, Windows and Linux. You are covering both systems also, a web system and Java system. Start and stop means it is software. After installing SAP software in your laptop, you want to log in and practice in that system. Means you want to, first of all, start the software and stop the software. As a basis administrator only in company, they do start and stop. That is one of the topic. Next unit is post-installation steps. This is one of the unit. Next unit is post-installation steps means you want to apply permanent license key. You want to do some steps. After installation is completed, you want to do some steps. So many steps is there. 13 to 15 steps is there. You want to do these steps. It is one of the unit. Here all of you saw this unit I told. Installing S/4HANA. Installing Solution Manager ABAP. Installing Solution Manager Java. Post-installation steps. In installation only ERS installation and In installation only, ERS instance and additional application server instance also will be covered. So this book entire installations and post installations. So when you perfect in this book means you are perfect in how to install SAP software and everything. So post installation steps are very, very important. After post installation steps, patches is there. You want to apply patches to the SAP system. Up to patches, support packages. Up to here, you are preparing the system in company. You're preparing new system. You want to prepare new system. You want to do these 3 steps. So this is one of the important topic in implementations. Okay, actually here until system is not completed, just you install, you start and stop, you apply post installation. Patches is there. Patches means so some topics we take patches. For example, your main software is NetWeaver AS ABAP 7.52. Suppose patch level 0 is there, it is latest patch level 14 like that. You want to upgrade that patch level by using some tool. We had doubts, sir, in my system, it is possible to do that experiment like that. It is possible to do half of the experiment only. Full experiment is not possible. Full experiment you want to do means in your system, it will take 3 days, 4 days to complete the success process. Because your hardware is low, so that's why it will hang also. It will not support it. And SAP S/4HANA 2023 Java on Windows. We want to learn how to apply patches for that one also by using some tool only. Some means software it is. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 Java system also.
Sir, your display is not visible, sir.
I already share screen.
Yeah, it was coming.
And SAP Solution Manager, maximum no need SAP Solution Manager Java. Otherwise, we want to do, we have time means we want to do that one also. SAP Solution Manager 7.2 Java by using some tool. And add-on means additional component also you want to apply to this. Only one software we take, we do add-on also. So in Java, you want to apply patches means only these 3 softwares you learn. In ABAP, this one. And another software you want to learn in ABAP means there are 2 softwares there. SAP NetWeaver 7.5 ABAP, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP ABAP. That's enough. Up to here, you learn how to apply patches, latest patch level. And another one is SAP Solution Manager 7.2 ABAP. In some also we have option is there. Different options is there here. I explained that one also. Standard. In some also we have option. Okay, these 19 topics in ABAP, you want to learn patches to these topics. NetWeaver, ERP, Solution Manager. And one topic is there, one topic is pending. Yeah, main topic is pending is there. SAP S for HANA 2023 Linux. Okay, up to here you learn means what here up to here you do. You're preparing the system up to here in company, you prepare the system. Up to these topics, what you done, you prepare the system in company. So after preparing system in the company, users want to log in into the systems. On that time, basis administrator or in company security team is there. They want to create users and provide users to the team. Here in certification books is there. Starting and stopping, I told you, know, how to start and stop, how many ways is there to start and stop users. You want to create users and provide users, authorization, permission. So, okay, I provide one user to you. You log in my company server. Without I protect you means I give full permission to you in my system means you do any wrongness, what will be happen? Data will be corrupted. That's why we have authorization. Particular work purpose only, I provide authorization to you like that. So in that unit, you learn about profiles also. What is profiles? How many types of profiles is there? Everything. So like RFC, what is RFC? What is the use of RFC? Like that. And operation mode is there. What is profile? What is operation mode? What is the use of operation mode? Profiles, main headings I'm telling. Profile is one of the unit. How many types of profiles is there? What basis administrator only use the profiles in company. Operation mode also basis administrator. That's why you want to learn about profiles, about operation mode, and start and stop. Users, how to create users. User forgot password, how to change and provide new password. How to create role. What is RFC? How to create RFC connection. What is SAP notes? What is the use of SAP notes? What is maintenance planner? What is spam? What is sum? What's the difference between the spam and sum? How to apply patches by using spam T code? How to apply patches by using sum T code? What is saint? What is the use of saint? How to print a document? You want to print a document by using SAP system. How to print a document? And what are the things you want to learn about printing unit? Background jobs. How many background jobs is there? How to create background job? Background job is in backend job is running in front end we do another work. And what is how to troubleshoot? How to solve issues? How to troubleshoot? And what is client and TMS is separate book. Client and TMS, you have separate book. What is client? What is TMS? And every book you have question and answers also. What the experiments you want to practice, that one also in these books only we have. Exercise, you want to learn this exercise. So you perfect in this exercises means that's enough. Okay, and some important topics is there. In implementation only, some important topics. Why I particularly telling implementation topics means nowadays when you go to interviews on this implementation topics only. And after we have got questions on client, TMS, transport request, spam, saint, kernel upgrade. These are the very, very important topics. They ask questions on these topics. Okay, here, okay. Homogeneous system copy in company level, like that, how they do. In our system, I explained clearly. In your laptop also is possible to practice homogeneous system copy. You learn clearly what is homogeneous system copy. What is the use of homogeneous system copy? How in company they ask you means how we do. DB migration means database migration. It is one of the topic. OS migration means operating system migration. OS and DB migration. DMO migration. These are the topics you want to know. DMO migration, OS and DB migration, OS migration, database migration, and homogeneous system. In system copies, these are the topics perfectly you want to know. These 5 topics. Maximum in company level, how to do. As it is like that only, I explained here. When you perfect these topics means, in company, you did not depend on any other. You directly do this experiment by your own hands without shivering, without anything. In outside, no institute can explain this one. When you go in Chennai, when you go Hyderabad, Mumbai, wherever, Pune, wherever you go, Bangalore, Hyderabad, wherever. In any institute, they did not explain this one. But nowadays, they in any company, in India or other countries, in any country you go, in companies, SAP basis projects nowadays on this in this topic. In outside institutes, they did not telling these topics. Without learning these topics, SAP basis course is not completed. Next. SAP system conversion. SAP system conversion means SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8 to SAP S/4HANA 2023 standard. Okay. There is a separate book for system conversion also. So in this book's 19 exercises is there. When you perfect in these 19 exercises, you no need to depend on others. You are perfect in system conversion. When you complete practice this 19 exercises, you no need to depend on others. But this experiment is not possible to practice in your laptop. You want to do that experiment in your laptop means you want 300 GB RAM. You want 300 GB RAM. In outside market, you want to buy that RAM means lakhs. By seeing only, you want to know that topic. Upgrades is there. Upgrade means, for example, SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 7 to SAP ERP 6.0 EHP 8 from one version to another version. You want to upgrade by using some tool standard. That is one of the experiment in upgrade. Another upgrade also is there in Linux operating system. SAP S/4HANA 2022 to SAP S/4HANA 2023 some 10. This is another experiment. In upgrades, you want to learn. Next, SAP system refresh. This is one of the project also nowadays is done. This project is very, very important. 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 And these 5 projects are very, very important. This okay. It is normal installations and patches is okay. Minimum knowledge compulsory you want to learn. But this very, very important topics up to 21. From 21 to up to 29, very, very important topics. Compulsory as a basis administrator, you want to complete basis role means you want to learn these 9 topics perfectly. Without that 9 topics, you complete SAP basis course means it is not completed. So you want to complete these topics, implementation topics. Nowadays, you attend on interview. Support. Sir, I am the support team, sir. I know the knowledge on support. They tell simply, I want only implementation person only. You know, implementation topics means I provide job to. Support means nowadays in my company also there are so many support persons is there. I don't want support persons. Nowadays in my company, implementation projects are running. I want implementation persons. They ask you. And another important person is SAP HANA Administrator. SAP HANA Administration, you want to learn. Means this is the book HA 200. HA 200, these are the exercises is there. When you perfect on these exercises, you are okay. You work on SAP HANA Administrator. Nowadays, mostly demandable working persons are SAP HANA Administrator, they are requiring, and this implementation persons. So if you have zero, suppose, sir, I am fresher, I am learning course for you, from you. So after this course is completed, how many experience knowledge I got? Perfectly every day you learn means you got 3 years, 4 years knowledge. Means here you learn perfectly means in company no need to depend on others. But you want to time spend, you want to spend time compulsory. Means I am telling here class is 1 hour means I take 2 hours, 3 hours also, depending on topic. You want to wait patiently and you want to understand what here I am telling. And on that day only you want to practice is possible means practice and learn and complete this. On that time only got the subject. To postpone subject means it's not possible to learn. Why means every topic is linked, general link. That's why it's not possible to postpone. So I provide books in this training. Who are joined, I provide that books in this training. And I provide 1 or 2 softwares for practice topics. What are the requirements? Your laptop is supporting for this one. What are the requirement is there? I only provide. I know this software I want to provide for you for practice purpose. Like that, I know you got this book. But by reading this book, not better. You make one book. You write in book. You learn that topic one by one topic. It is better. Daily you want to practice. So 3 months means it will take 4 months also. Within 4 months, daily you perfectly learn means within 3 months you put resume and go to interview also. Maximum here, whatever you learn, based on only in interview they ask the questions. Here in theory or experiment you are perfect means in interview also you raise, you easily answer the questions. Just here I'm telling what are the books I'm telling the experiments and what theory and everything. I covered this book, this book, this book, and this book. Okay. Exercises also is there. I take theory from their books. Exercises also, what are the important exercises? I explain clearly. But my main aim is every basis administrator compulsory they want to learn these 29 topics. Without knowing this course, these topics, SAP basis course is not completed. Okay, here I stop the demo.